For the complete recipe, please check out ivskitchen.net. After washing and drying your fish, you're going to see lines on the tuna. That is called the grain of the tuna, so you want to cut against the grain as shown. And then you're going to turn those pieces over and cut the tuna into cubes. Next, we are going to put our tuna in a bowl, and we are going to pour the Maggi Liquid Seasoning. Mix well and let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Melt some butter in a pan, and once it's completely melted, you want to go ahead and add the tuna cubes and cook it until it's slightly brown. Add more oil if you need to, and add your garlic. Saute your garlic until it's nice and fragrant. Once that is nice and fragrant, you can add your onions, jalapeno, and red bell pepper. And I like to just saute it for a few minutes because I still like crunchy vegetables. Season your dish with pepper, salt, and garlic powder. And of course, we're going to mix well. Once all the ingredients are completely mixed together, add your Kewpie Mayo. And we are going to mix this and cook it until the ingredients are well blended. In your sizzling platter, melt some butter. And once your butter is nice and melted, you are going to add the tuna to it. Listen to it sizzle. Oh yeah! Garnish this with some green onions, and don't forget to squeeze some calamansi juice or lime or lemon if you don't have calamansi. And that is how simple it is to make this delicious sizzling tuna sisig. For added crunch, I like to top my sisig with chicharron, which are pork cracklings. Of course, if you are vegetarian, you can definitely omit that. And that's it. Thank you for watching Ivy's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe. For the complete recipe, please check out ivskitchen.net. Until next time, happy cooking!